Introduction: sharing sensitive backups securely.
Sharing backup files online can be risky if not done properly. Sensitive documents might be exposed to hackers or unauthorized users. By following the right steps, such as encrypting and carefully sending your files, you can greatly reduce these risks. This tutorial will guide you through safeguarding your information during online transfers.
Step 1. Encrypt your backup files.
Before sharing, always encrypt your backup files. Use reliable tools such as Encrypt or 7-Zip, which allow you to protect files with a strong password. Encryption ensures that only individuals with the correct password can access the contents, making your sensitive data unreadable to anyone else.
Step 2. Choose a secure sharing platform.
Select a reputable file-sharing service that supports encryption during upload and download, like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. For added security, consider platforms with end-to-end encryption, such as Trezor or Proton Drive. Avoid sharing files over unsecured channels, like public email or messaging apps.
Step 3. Send passwords safely.
Never send the encryption password alongside your file link. Use a different and secure method to share the password, such as an encrypted messaging app or a phone call. Keeping passwords separate from the backup file helps prevent unauthorized access, even if the file link is intercepted.
Step 4. Manage access and set time limits.
Limit who can access the backup file by setting permissions on the sharing platform. Choose options like only specific people can view and disable link sharing whenever possible. Set expiration dates for shared links so files are inaccessible after a certain period, reducing security risks.
Conclusion: stay secure while sharing.
By encrypting your files, using trustworthy platforms, carefully sharing passwords, and managing access, you can safely share sensitive backups online. These habits help protect your personal or professional data from unauthorized access, ensuring your information stays private and secure.